In this video, we're going to talk about how you can turn your written blogs into full of media, full of rich media blogs. Hey everybody, this is Kirtiman Sharma, and today we're going to discuss about how you can turn your plain text written blogs into full of rich media blogs. You know, the blogs which are full of rich media and very interactive, very immersive, and very great to read. This is what we're going to discuss, and let's dive into it. So I have written down 16 ways, 16 types of rich media which you can put into your blog and make them extremely full of colors, full of live interactions, and maybe not just written words which are plain and very boring. So let's dive into it. First thing you can do is put pictures. Everybody knows them, but they don't put in. I don't know why. Very few blogs have good pictures, very relevant pictures. So where can you get these pictures? You can get them from Flickr. Flickr is one place where you can get a lot of pictures. You just have to give credit to the photographer, and there are a lot of pictures which are completely copyright exempted, and you can use them. Shutterstock is also one place where you can find great pictures. Again, it's Shutterstock is not a free place. We have to pay for it, but the images are great. If you are in India and your market is very specific towards India only, so you have one more site called Image Bazaar where you can get a lot of images. Google, lot of free and copyright, free images are present also, but you just have to check that you are free to use those images from Google. Envato Element is again a very good place and one of my favorites. You can get it's a paid membership kind of thing, but you get graphics, you get images, you get photographs. There are a lot of things you also get web templates and all. So you get a lot of things in Envato Elements. I'll put a link in the description so you can see what is Envato Elements. Pixabay again also, you can get a lot of photos, and also please don't forget that you can also click your own photographs. Use your mobile phone. It's easy to click photographs and put in your blog. Don't worry about a lot of quality. There are a lot of apps today on mobile apps that you can use to enhance your photographs. So please use a lot of photographs if you can, as much as you can. The second thing is YouTube videos. So you can put other people's YouTube videos also according to the context of your blog. Just put other people's YouTube videos, and that'll be great. So you are adding some more information. That video is going to get some views, I understand, but you are also adding some additional information from other person. Let's say you're writing a blog about something, and then you can write about, you can put a video of that company's owner, the company's director speaking about something, or maybe some conference in which that particular topic is being covered. You can put some videos there, so the interaction gets enhanced. Pinterest pins. Pinterest is a great place. What you do is, there are a lot of infographics on Pinterest. You just have to embed them. Just see the context that, if your blog is also written about the similar thing, you just have to pin a Pinterest pin board, and it enhances the value of your blog a lot, because you are able to put a infographic, and infographic are very easy to understand. There are a lot of graphics in it, plus there's a lot of information which is given on that. And also you can just write a blog on the infographic itself. That's a blog creating idea in itself. Instagram images. You know that you can put, you must have seen the Instagram cards directly in your blog, and people can like and click the Instagram card and follow the people whose images you have put. So don't worry about that people are going to click on Instagram, and then they'll follow the other people. You don't have to worry about that. You have to worry about that you are giving value, you are adding more and more value to your blogs. That's what is more important. And nobody just wants to be inside a small closed sphere in a closed room. You what by putting all these things which belong to other people, what you're creating an open environment. that you like other people, you're creating a good neighborhood. You know, other people whose card you have put, they might also mention you that, here you can see my card, here you can see my Instagram images as well, and I have been mentioned on that blog. So they will also promote you. So it's like a cross promotion. You have to create good neighbors. Don't always think that you have to be inside a closed room, and you want your audience only to read about your views and not go anywhere else. It's not like that. The audience will love the content if it is full of other options, full of interactivity. They understand that you are an open person and also read a lot and care a lot about other people. So you can put Instagram images. Jiffy is a very nice place. You get GIFs. GIFs is like small, maybe it's a movie clip that has a dialogue. I'm sure you must have seen a lot of them. It's a movie dialogue. Somebody is just repeating that. It's in loop. So it's a nice thing. Maybe you are writing a paragraph and there's something, a punchline kind of thing which is coming out of that paragraph. So you can find a GIF according to that particular paragraph and then put it inside it. So it'll be funny. It's going to be very interactive and nice. Twitter cards. If somebody has said something, some company has said something, brand has posted something on Twitter, you can directly put the Twitter card. You don't have to copy the language of the tweet and then paste in your blog. You can put the Twitter card. That makes it more interactive. The other people understand, the person whose Twitter card you're going to put, they'll understand that you have put their Twitter card, and they are getting some amount of followers from you, so they'll also promote you in some way. InShot News. InShot is a mobile app I use to see news, and they give a feature that it's a like a short form of news. So you get one news in one screen. Half of it is an image and half of it is like text. Text is like not more than like 30 or 50 words, a very small one. But you can put this card, just like Twitter card or Instagram card, you can put a Twitter card, InShot's news card also in your blog, just to showcase that you're writing this blog, and at this moment some news was also generated about this particular topic. Next is LinkedIn cards. So similar to all these cards, Instagram cards and Twitter cards, this LinkedIn card also. So you can put a profile of somebody if you're writing about a person. So you can, probably put their profile card in your blog, and that makes it more interactive again. Whiteboard videos and images, sections in full. So see, we are making a whiteboard, so you can put the whole of the video in your blog. Probably you can write a blog about this particular video, or you can put a still image. If I just move out and you take a full image of this particular board, you can probably put this particular image in your blog easily. You can do it yourself also. You just have to have a whiteboard, write on it with a marker or whiteboard marker, and take a pic. Simple. So you can, maybe you are able to illustrate a lot of graphics and a lot of words mixed together. You can illustrate them on a whiteboard as you want, and then just take a pic and put it there. You can also put sections of it. If you don't want to put the whole board, maybe once on the top you've put the whole board and then you're focusing on only this particular section. So you can put a section on, same with the video. We're making a long video right now here, but you can always take a section out of it and put a section of the video as well. Mind maps. What are mind maps? Mind maps, something like this. There's something which is you're focusing on in the middle, and then you find out what is related to it. Let's say we're talking about digital marketing. So let's say we write digital marketing here. Then we'll say SEO, digital marketing website, and then maybe something else like advertisement, Facebook, social media. And then from SEO, we'll take on-page SEO, off-page SEO. So we make a map kind of thing, what comes next. So we are able to make a map of it. So you can just make a map on paper, your copy with a pen or a whiteboard, take a picture, put it in the blog, or there are a lot of softwares also which help you, a lot of free softwares which help you in making blogs. You can use those also. So why are they good in a blog? That they give a lot of perspective and a lot of research to the blog. The people who are reading the blog can understand that you've done some research, and they also get a starting point to do more research. So that's how it's very good. Word swag. This is like an app on iPhone, the App Store, and what it does is you can write a quotation or anything here, and it just styles it. It has different fonts and different styles. It'll style it. So if you have your own quotation, you want to say something, or not a quotation, you just have a statement. Just put it in word swag, pick a style, take a you can export a pic from there and put it on your blog. So that's a again another type of a photograph or a pic for your blog. Next is screenshot. You can always take screenshots from your desktop or mobile and put it on your blog. Probably you were searching something, or you're explaining a software, or you're explaining your experience of something, you're writing about a news. So a lot of things, you're searching something on the on your mobile, and just take a screenshot. So a lot of times screenshots are very good photos for your blog, and they're very easy to take, by the way. Medium is a blogging platform just like WordPress. So a lot of people put blogs and all and written article on Medium. So you can embed another person's article inside your article. So that makes it like a nested article. So you have an article and there's another article. So people it's an immersive experience, because it shows that you've done a lot of research for writing your blogs, and you're not copying, you're just giving credit to other people and just putting other people's blog there as well. Facebook embeds. People have put a lot of things on Facebook. You can just embed it rather than downloading it and then uploading it. It's better to have a Facebook embed there. That again creates a lot of interactivity, because people can like them, and if they like them through your video, you'll get response as well, because they'll understand that some followers are coming from you as well. SoundCloud is a place where you put sound. There's no text there. So people put podcasts, people put music there. So a lot of other things, maybe chants there. Some people put rants there. They're telling something about some particular topic. So maybe some conference was going on and they did not do a video. So there's a sound there. Only the sound clip is there. So you can take a sound clip from there and put it on your blog. A particular person's interview is there, so you can put podcast. You can put a lot of things which are sound. Now see, this is rich media. Words we already have. What we are putting? Pictures we are putting. We're putting videos. We're putting sound. We're putting GIFs. The last is wine loops. Just like GIFs, wine loops are also videos which go around in loop, and it's an app. Wine, the Wine is an app. You can download it. You can embed the wine loop, and it makes your video funny, or probably there's a certain element also you've added. So it's great for your video. So you see, there are so many rich media options available to you. All you need to do is just read your blog and search on these platforms which I've told you, and you'll get a lot of material from there, and you can just put it in your blog at the right places, and that makes your blog just from plain text, simple text, to a very rich media blog, and that makes it more interactive. I hope you like this video, and if you use any more options than this, please mention them in the comment. I would like to add, and I'll also like to learn from you guys what you guys do to make your blog a rich media blog. If you have any more questions, also ask me in the comments, and see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.